Hey guys, Tori with WaveMotionMachines.com. This is my latest project that I've worked on for a client here. This is the restoration of a Lava Simplex Adriatic the Wave machine. You probably remember this particular type of machine being sold at Spencer Gifts back in the 80s and 90s. So this machine was sent in. It was originally one of the very rare dual color UV reactive machines where the bottom fluids were like a hot pink color and the top fluids were a yellowish tone, and it kind of fluoresces under a black light. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm removing the original end caps because it was a leaking machine, so this machine was just a mess when it came in. The adhesive tends to fail around these black end caps that you see there, and the machine starts to leak and basically just becomes useless. So I remove the original caps and clean off the old adhesive, and then reinstall the end caps using a high quality epoxy, and then that cures, and then it's filled with the Hughes Wave Fluid Formula, which totally outperforms the original Lava brand formula, believe it or not. You'll see soon enough at the end of the video. And do a full polish on the base portion where the motor is and the vessel itself using like a high quality acrylic polish. So check it out, enjoy the video, and please subscribe to me on YouTube at Wave Motion Machines. Actually, it's Hughes Wave Motion Machines on YouTube. Thanks.